Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel SM Wealth. Ever wondered what $1 billion actually buys you in the housing market? We aren't talking about luxury, we're talking about the most exclusive, mind-blowing real estate on earth. Buckle up, because these price tags will make your jaw drop. First up, we're heading to the playground of the ultra-rich, Monaco. Perched at the top of the Tour Odeon sits a sky penthouse worth a staggering $387 million. Spanning 5 floors, it features a private water slide that plunges straight into an outdoor infinity pool overlooking the Mediterranean. It's the ultimate definition of living in the clouds. Next, we fly to Mumbai to see Antilia, a towering 27-story skyscraper that belongs to just one family. Valued at $2 billion, this architectural marvel is built to withstand an 8-magnitude earthquake. It requires a staff of 600 people to maintain, features a 168-car garage, 3 helipads, and even its own indoor snow room to escape the heat. But the crown for the most expensive piece of residential real estate in the world goes to Buckingham Palace. While it's technically a crown property, this royal residence is valued at a mind-numbing $4.9 billion. With 775 rooms, 78 bathrooms, and a history that shapes the world, it is completely priceless, and officially the most valuable home on the planet. If you had $1 billion, which one of these would you buy? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, hit subscribe for more mind-blowing countdowns, and we'll see you in the next video.